Hello everybody, today I want to talk with you about how to join dating on Facebook. If you have Play Store, Android or iPhone, doesn't matter, okay? Now, you need to make this. The first is update your app, okay? Always update your app. Go to Play Store or App Store, find Facebook and make your update. And then, can you open this app? Okay, in the corner, can you see three lines, those here, okay? And now, can you see I have dating first because I use recently dating. Now, if you've never used dating, maybe can not you see that here. You need those in see more, and can you find in the last option or random here, okay? Something here. Now, when you find your app dating, touch here and make your profile. Upload photos. Remember, this profile is different than your first profile, okay? That your main profile in your Facebook, okay? Not is the same that this profile, okay? It's different. Now, upload your photos, make your description, complete the old profile, okay? Because this is the most important thing. If you want that Facebook recommend your profile or you suggest your profile the others people, okay? And when you are finished, you have your app ready for use, like Tinder or Bumble, okay? It's the same way. Now, I don't know what is the most popular in USA, but here is Tinder. And this is all for this video. Sorry for my bad English, I know that is awful. I just wanted to get more experience with me speaking. Have a good day and see you later.